Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video of Gmail series, we will see how to set up email forwarding in Gmail. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, then you can watch other Gmail videos by just tapping on this I button, or you may also visit my YouTube channel. Now without further delays, let's get into our video. So first of all, just open your Gmail account. To set up email forwarding, you just have to click on this settings. After that, go to see all settings. Now here, just tap on this option, and after that you can add a forwarding address. Just tap on it. Here just write the email address where you just want to forward your emails. After that, just tap on this next, and here just tap on this proceed. Now it's done. You just have to enter the verification code here, and you have to open this email address. So here you can see this is the confirmation code. I will just copy it and I will click on this verify. Now after that, just click on this forward a copy of incoming mail. And you can also change settings from here. You can just select this option or any of these options, okay? And you can also forward only some of your email by using filters. We'll make a separate video for creating a filter. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.